Hey, it's Thursday, March 4th, day 4 of Mo's Mat Challenge, March Madness. Okay, here we go. Today we're gonna do plank to pike. We're gonna do some push-ups, some forearm planks. You've got this. You guys ready? All right. So I'm on my mat. I'm gonna start off on all fours. Now the first thing is plank to pike. So don't be afraid. Just really spread the hands nice and wide on the mat, like starfish, okay? Inhale, you tuck the toes under. You're gonna come up to a plank. And then you're gonna exhale, pike up. All right? You guys good? Here we go. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhale, look ahead, a little bit in front of the fingertips. Exhale, look down at the toes. Nice way to stretch the back, first thing in the morning. Breathe in and breathe out. Good. You don't have to get your heels on the mat when you pike, but try to. Great way to stretch the calves here. Pike up. Good job. You have about, I don't know, maybe 7 more here. Breathe in. Breathe out 6. Breathe in. Breathe out 5. Toning the arms at the same time as building the core. 3 more, breathe in, breathe out, and 2. Nice job, last one, it's plank to pike. Nice, first minute, check in the box. Knees down, child's pose. Good, next we have forearm plank. Now remember, the hands, I want the in front of the elbows. Ready? Whoops, let's do it. Tuck the toes under and be nice and strong. You can do this. You've got it. Fingertips in front of the elbows. Squeeze your bum, squeeze your legs as hard as you possibly can. And breathe. So inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Now just to change it up, let's try to alternate those hips. Ready? Here we go. Left, right. Left hip, right hip. Left hip, right hip, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, deep breath. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Knees down, child's pose. Great job. Now we're gonna do push-ups next. I'm gonna recommend on your knees. We're gonna do 3 rounds of 10. You ready? Okay, here we go. Wide grip on the mat. Again, feet in the air to first round. It's all the way up for 10. You've got it. Breathe in, breathe out. 9, 8, 7. Bring your bum with you, right? 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Take a break. Good. Next round, you're gonna lower your right shin. Let's go. 10, pick up your pace a little bit. 9, inhale, exhale, 8, 7. You should be able to do 3 rounds of 10 in 1 minute. If that's too much, just do what you can. 4, 3, elbows out to the side, please. 2, last one. Taking a break, child's pose. Make a fist. Stretch out the wrists a little bit. That's always a nice idea after push-ups. Okay, round 3, ready? The left shin rests. Let's go. Breathe in, breathe out, 10, 9, inhale, exhale, 8. That's all the way down, all the way up, please. 6, 5, 4, 3, you've got it. 2 more, 1 more. Child's pose, good. Make a fist, tuck the fingers under a little bit, make a fist, stretch out your wrists. Great. Now, 1 minute mountain climber, you're getting a little bit of cardio today. I can show you different variations. All right? I know, it's challenging today, a lot of planks. So here you are in your mountain climber. You can just go nice and slow, knees to chest. Okay, no rush. Knees to chest. So that would be your low impact, or you can kind of pick up your pace. All right? And you can also do a combination. Good. So here we go, nice and slow. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, double time. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time, you slow. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and double time. Chin up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Woo! Knees down, child's pose. As you can tell, I'm a little out of breath. How are you guys doing? All right. Now that was 4 moves down. Our next, getting off the hands and the elbows a little bit, is Supergirl. Okay? So, hopefully you're tuning in every day, but if you missed the other day, I talked about Supergirl. Okay? So this like Supergirl. Can you see me there? Yep. Arms and legs are up. So when you have little babies, what do they call this? It's tummy time. Oh, let's put them on their tummies. This is challenging. It's challenging for those little babies. It's challenging for us. But you want to squeeze the legs, point the toes, everything up. Deeply breathing in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and let it go. Like you're blowing out those birthday candles. Inhale and exhale. Again, if this is too much, you're gonna, you can rest your legs down. You can bring your arms to a T. No worries, okay? Or you can do one arm forward, one arm back. And you have 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a break. Now we're gonna do that breaststroke, okay? Really important for your mid-back, strengthening to help with tech neck, okay? All the work we do on computers and phones and everything. All right, you with me? Let's do it. So the breaststroke is your legs stay heavy, nice wide position with your feet, like as wide as the edge of the mat. That's important. That will protect your lower back. So here our breaststroke here, right? You're going to dive in the water, exhale, inhale, sweep them around in a circle, okay? So your exhale, inhale. Just try 8 more. 8, nice. 7, legs stay heavy. 6, woo. 5, 4, 3, exhale, breathe in, circle, exhale, breathe in, circle. Last one, hold it here. See if you can bring the palms down to the floor, super important. Straighten the arms, legs are still heavy. Targeting that bra line area, right? The thoracic spine. Nice job, guys. Woo! Take a little break. All right, how many moves left? We have 3 moves left, okay? This one is gonna be on the knees. I'm on my knees. I'm gonna send my right leg out on a diagonal with my heel pushing out, okay? So try to prevent your foot from going out like a duck, all right? So your foot is straight. Now, a couple different ways we can do this. Arms in a T. You can do a little windmill. All right, and if this is hurting your hip at all, just start on the knees like this. Okay, you're basically trying to stretch the obliques and open up the side of the waistline. All right, a little motivation for you. So halfway through this minute, we're just gonna do windmill and try to get your left hand all the way on the mat. All right, that's just about 5 more. And you can stay here through the other half of the minute. I'll just show you, okay? 3 more. Getting that nice deep stretch. 2, see how it's one long line from my right hand all the way to my right foot? That's really important. Now the other 30 seconds, give it a try. Squeeze that right leg. Arms up, you're hugging your ears like, you know, like Charlie's Angels, okay? So you're up, chin up, and you're side bending. All right? And we're gonna do 6 more. So 8 side bends and 10 windmills, okay? Breathing in, breathing out 5. Inhale, exhale 4. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale, Exhale, 2. Breathe in. Last one, change direction, okay? Remember your left leg is out, squeezing that left butt from behind, windmills to start. So you're up and over for 10, right? And come the other way. 9, doing great. Breathing in, breathing out. Try to get that right hand all the way on the mat, the right palm. Yes. 6 more, 6. Woo. 5, this feels so good after. 4, feels so good while I'm doing this. But anyways, it's really good for shoulder mobility too, okay? 2 more. You've got it. I'm stabilizing my spine by squeezing that left leg. Arms up for 8. Ready? Here we go. Inhale. Whew. Exhale. Breathe in. 7 more. You can do it. Inhale. Exhale, 6. You're trying to get to parallel, but don't overdo. Even if you just like go a little bit, that's fine. 4 more. 4, keep the breathing. Try to keep your chest open to me. 3, it's inhale down, exhale up. Last one. Woo, awesome, you've done a really good job today. The last exercise I'm gonna say is bridge, okay? So everybody needs a little bit of bridge in their life every day, okay? We just go this way, we can talk right here, okay? So your back hurts, anything you need, any day you have, you should really try a little bit of bridge. So I'm just gonna lift up my bum as much as I can. When I start my bridge, again, my arms are long and the fingertips can just touch the heels. So when you lift up in a bridge, we're gonna stay here for 1 minute and then you're done for the day. When you're in a bridge like this, okay, you're toning your butt more, really good for your lower back, okay? When you stay there, but when you walk your heels out, just so you know, you're working more hamstrings. All right, so just a little tip for the day. Stepping the feet back in. You can also raise your heels up if you want to stretch your calves a little bit. You've got 10 more seconds. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Woo. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now hold on. Put your heels down, arms over the chest. Take the biggest breath you have all day. Now exhale. Pull your stomach in as hard as you can to roll down through the spine and release to a neutral position. And hug those knees to chest. Nice job today, guys. I'm really proud of you. It's getting a little more challenging. Have an awesome Thursday. Bye-bye.